Hey guys, Tony here. I wanted to make this video before I leave work because it looks like we are going to see another hard push on ADA. The stochastic is still relatively close to the overbought on the stoke, and it looks like in the next maybe, I don't know, I'd say probably before midnight today, PST time, we are looking at seeing ADA push towards the upside again. I would not be surprised to see ADA somewhere right here in the middle, like at, I would not be surprised to see ADA over $2 by tomorrow morning. Would not be surprised at all if we see ADA at $2 by tomorrow morning. It looks like it's gonna push pretty hard again towards the upside. Again, we had a really good push from what? This last bull push back here. We essentially went what? How many points was that? You went 50 cents almost. You went 46 cents. So if we do something similar in the next couple of hours, I'd probably go for the lows. Let's even go for the lows, right? Let's go from the lows right here. It's not even the actual price, but let's go from the lows just to make it underwhelming, right? So I did it in 2 days and 4 hours. It went 46 cents. 46. I can see it doing something like this in the next 2 days or so. I can definitely see ADA around $2.10 sometime by August 14th. I just wanted to put out this video because ADA is looking extremely bullish right now. And in the next 2 days or so, I would not be surprised to see ADA over $2. I'm letting you guys know that the 4 hour looks like it's about to jump towards the upside on another big bull push, but we'll see. But like I said, I would not be surprised at all to see ADA over $2 in the next, like I said, in the next 2 days or so. I'll see you guys later.